Hi publishers, this is Josh again from newviewnews.com, and I just want to walk you through the process of creating an account and publishing your first article. And the best way for us to just get started here is to head over to newviewnews.com, and there you'll find our homepage. Up here in the top left-hand corner, you're going to find Login and Sign Up. Let's click on that. If you already have an NVN account, you can log in right here, okay? If you need a new NVN account, you can select Free right here. That'll take you to our registration page. And we'll just create a dummy account for now. Go ahead and scroll on down where you enter your information here. And pick a username. We'll create one here that we'll go ahead and delete. It's important that you use an email address that you check regularly because you're going to want to get notifications for when your articles are published or when people comment on your articles. You do need to fill out the CAPTCHA here, that's important. So we see 3114 in the window here. Please review our terms of service. The terms of service is important. It gives you the rules that you need to know about publishing on our website, and it is an agreement that when you become a member, you've read and agreed to the terms of service. Right here, you'll want to click I agree to the terms of service, and then submit and continue. Oh, I already used that email address. Well, let's do this. And 156. And it's actually good that this happened because this might happen to you where you have an error and you'll have to go back, and I want you to see that you do need to, for a second time, read and click I agree to the terms of service. Great, you've created your account. So thank you for creating your account, and below are your membership details. All right, and you can click on View Your Membership Account. And that's going to show you what level you're at and your username and email address. You can also go up to your account and click on My Account, and that's the page that we're at right now, but you can edit your profile. This is where you can change your username, add your first last name or a pseudonym. You can change your email address, add your own website. Do put together a nice little biography about you. That'd be nice to have with everybody's articles. And you can select a profile picture right here. Okay, that's pretty easy. We'll go ahead and do that right now. Update profile. And just click on the picture or click Update Picture to add a picture. And then you'll choose your picture, whatever you like. I'll just do this for now. Click on Upload. It's asking you to crop your image so that it's the right size. And you'll see what it looks like over here. And then just push Crop Image. And you've got it shaped the way you want it to be. And then click Close. Or just close the window here. All right. And from my account, after you've edited your profile and got things set up the way, you haven't submitted any articles yet, so we'll go ahead and submit a new article. That's right here up at the top. All right, and here we are at the editor window. So you're going to pick the title for your news article, and I have an article already prepared over here. And so I'm just going to copy and paste my title in. On your editor window here, you have a lot of different options. You can add pictures with the Add Media button. You can add links. Okay, you're allowed to have up to, I believe it's 5 different links per article. Let's check our settings here. Yes, you can have up to 10 links in your article. And so we do welcome up to 2 affiliate links per post. If there's more than 2 affiliate links per post, you'll get a warning. And then more after that, we'll email you and talk about it. If you'd like to be an advertiser on our website, you can do that by emailing advertising@newviewnews.com, and we can talk about a way that you can advertise on our website. But for now, if you're posting your own book, or maybe you're an affiliate with another publishing company and you'd like to post an article that talks about the content, you're welcome to post a couple of affiliate links. Obviously, your article should not be just an advertisement, but it should actually talk with some relevant and important information. So I'm going to go ahead and just bring over part of my article here. It doesn't really matter what it says because I'm going to delete this article in a minute here. So I put some text in. You have some options for editing your text. Okay, you've got your traditional bold and italic and strike through and lists and quotes and justifications, and your links are right here. So if I wanted to make this a link, I would highlight what I want to be a link, and I would click insert link, and then I'd type the address that I want. And give it a title. And I'd like it if everybody would select open a link in a new window. That way they can come back to your article. Click on add link. All right, great. So we've added a link here. You can see that it's turned to blue. If you need some more options, there's a toolbar toggle. You can change your font size a little bit, add some color if need be. So there's a lot of different options. There's also an undo and a redo button. That's handy. If you need to enter some HTML, you can go over here to text and enter your HTML. We do allow some HTML. Obviously, using a redirect would get you banned immediately, so don't use any redirects, folks. And what we're going to go ahead and do next, now that we've got our article all done, okay, we're just going to call that done for now. We're going to pick a category for where this article fits. We have a lot of categories, and if you need a different category, what I'd like folks to do is just put that down at the bottom of the article as a note to the administrator, and when we review your article for publishing, if we think that it's appropriate, we'll go ahead and add a category for you. In this one, I think we're going to go ahead and come down to World News. You see World News right here. We have a lot of different categories. So World News. And you need to put at least one tag in. And what a tag is it's something that tells people what it's about. So in this case, I'm going to choose to just put Nigeria in there, and I'll put a comma and maybe emergency. Maybe that works good. Oops. All right, so it's separated by commas. And then for every article, you do need to have at least one image. In our last video, we went and found that royalty-free image that we're allowed to use. And so you come up here, you go to Upload, and you select your files. And for us, it's going to be in the download folder, or at least it should. It's not, of course. So I'll just go in and I'll pick something else here that we can use for our featured image. What you pick is going to be related to your article. And you'll see some other images here from other authors. Of course, we don't want you to mess with other authors' images. It takes a minute to upload the image because we compress it a little bit when you upload it. So now it's ready to go. You can see the image here, and go ahead and pick Choose Image. And you'll see your featured image right here in a thumbnail form. Okay. And obviously you've read our terms of service and your article complies with our terms of service. Don't publish content that you don't own. Obviously, don't publish things that threaten a person or a government. Don't, pretend like you're talking to your mother here. Okay, if it's obscene or it's making fun of somebody else, or maybe it's not racially PC, I think that this isn't the place for that. Go ahead and click submit when you're ready. As long as your article's long enough, which has to be at least 150 words. See, my article's too short, so I'll add some words. It does have to be at least 150 words, and we do that so we get some good content in there. And I'll add some words. So if you have an error, it'll take you back up to the top here and say what your error is for you, so you can correct it. Great. So my article's been submitted, and that does not mean that it's going to show on the front page right now. Obviously, our editors have to go through and verify that your article meets the guidelines and that there aren't any major things in there that we need to be worried about. And then after that's done, we will publish your article, and you'll see your article both in the area that you select. So we picked World News over here, and you'll likely also see it on the front page here under More News Stories. Okay. And if you'd like to be in a featured area, again, you can contact us, and we can talk about what it takes to be a featured publisher. So that's pretty much it. You can go back once you've logged in, you can go to my account and click Edit Your Articles. And that'll bring up a page that lists the articles that you've written. If you have published articles, they'll appear here. Right now, this isn't a published article where it's waiting for review. So we click on Pending, and it says you have 1 pending articles, and then you can go in and you can edit it, or you can delete your pending article. Your live articles you can also delete. You have control over whether those remain published or not. Well, thanks for viewing, and we're welcome, and we're glad to have you as a publisher at NewView News. And if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@newviewnews.com, and hopefully we can help get things worked out for you. Thanks again.